Hey everybody, so we have some notes today. Today we're gonna go over lesson goal 311, and that is comparing and ordering integers. And then integers, you can just think of those as numbers. They're positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. Okay, zero is neither positive nor negative. Okay, so if you look at the number line, see here's the number line. Here we're at zero. All the negative numbers go to the left, and then all the positive numbers go to the right of zero. Or if they're just written in order from least to greatest, it would look like this. These three little dots let us know that these numbers do continue. Like it goes -5, -6, -7, -8, and it keeps going in both directions. Okay. Copy that. And then also that goes along with integers. We have absolute value. Absolute value, that's the distance a number is from zero on a number line. Okay. The way it's written, it looks like this, like a 9 with bars around it. And the way we say it is absolute value of 9. That's how that's pronounced. Okay. And what we're looking for is the distance 9 is from 0. And some students want to think this guy's always positive, absolute value. Maybe I'll write that in here. And you guys write it on your paper. It's always positive. Because it's talking about distance, distance is never negative. If you think about distance, you don't say somebody is -2 feet away from you. You just say how far they are and in what direction, but never negative. So that's why this number is never negative, because it's referring to distance. And then opposite opposite numbers are the same distance from 0, and they have the same absolute value. So you can think of opposites. Opposites are positive and negative, like -a and +a are opposites. -5 and +5 are opposites, because both of these numbers are the same distance from 0, and they both have the same absolute value. Okay, so copy that. Pause it if you need to pause it. I'm going to lower it to do the examples. So if we look at the examples, it says mark the integers on the number line. So we're just going to take these numbers and mark them on the number line. So you guys might have to create this number line. Copy it down on your paper. And then to mark the numbers on the number line, we just put dots on the number line where the numbers represent, or where the numbers belong. So -9 would be here, right? I'm just going to put -9 up there. Then 7 would be here, and then you have -3 would be here, and then you have 2 is here, and then -4 is here. Now one of the reasons why we order these, or why we put them on the number line, because what we're going to be doing a lot of is ordering these, and then once you put them in the number line, they pretty much are in order. Just go from left to right. The smallest numbers are always on the left side. Okay, so just move from left to right. So in order, the numbers would go like this: -9, then -4, then -3, then 2, and 7. -9, some students want to think of that as a big number. It's not a big number. It has little value. Okay. -9 is less than -4. So that's those. So let me try to lower it a little bit more. Okay, these last ones. So for these, it says find each absolute value. So this is the absolute value of -9. So again, here's -9. The absolute value from negative 9 is the distance from here to here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 places away, so that tells me the absolute value is 9. Same thing here, the next one, absolute value of 7. Well, we know 7 is here, right? If we find out how far away from 0 it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 places away. So I know the absolute value is 7. The absolute value of negative 3, here's negative 3. That's 1, 2, 3 places away from 0. So I know the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. Now again, notice they're all positive. Okay, these are different. The opposite, name the opposite of each number. Now when you do that, you're pretty much just switching positive and negative signs. Like here's 2, the opposite of 2 is negative 2. Here's negative 4, the opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. That's what you do with opposites. Okay, let's do some work.